Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1096 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm trying out a lipstick that seems almost too beautiful to even use, but I'm gonna go for it. But this is probably the most beautifully packaged lipstick I have ever seen. So this is from the brand Palace Identity, and this is their Gilt Gold Dragon Velvet Lipstick, which first off comes in this beautiful box. Oh my gosh, this is so luxurious. So I got this in the shade M05, and it comes in 3 different shades. They're all beautiful tones of red. But before I even show you the lipstick itself, I just have to show you this packaging up close. It's this gorgeous gold with this cool texture. It's kind of weighted, and look at that intricate dragon on it. So beautiful. It has a magnetic closure, and this is just seriously a decor piece to me. This is just so incredible. But then the lipstick itself looks so beautiful. I'm really excited about this rosy shade. But then the actual lipstick has the most intricate little design of a dragon on it. I have never seen a lipstick like this. You see what I mean about this being too beautiful to use? I hope you can see the detail of the dragon on the lipstick itself. I carved into it. It's amazing. And I definitely want to thank Palace Identity for sending me this beautiful product for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I felt like this product had to be seen. It's so incredible. I hope that it performs as well as it is packaged. But I'm a sucker for packaging, and this could not be any more beautiful. So I will have this linked in the description down below, but it retails for $29 US. It's supposed to be moisturizing, it contains nourishing ingredients, it's cruelty-free. So let's try it out. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna wanna be so delicate with it, but I am gonna start out with a swatch. Oh my gosh. Creamy, pigmented, and I'm so excited about this shade. All right, gonna go ahead and see how it looks on my lips. My lips are chapped right now, so I'm interested to see how moisturizing it is, how smooth and even it looks. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. You really only need one swipe and you get that full opaque color, but it's still so creamy. Where my lips were very chapped, it looks completely smooth. It's not clinging to the dry patches at all, so this is a beautiful formula. It has pretty much like a cream finish, but almost leaning towards matte, but it looks just so good on my lips. I'm loving this color, the texture of it. It's called a velvet lipstick, and I think that's the perfect description of it because it really does look like velvet on the lips. That's kind of the texture that I would say, that almost matte cream texture, and just so opaque in color. And I really like this shade as well. I feel like it's a bit more toned down of a red, but it still kind of gives a statement lip, but that's not too intense or too difficult to wear. So I'm really glad that the product itself is also so beautiful and seems like such high quality. I just want to do a little kiss test. I like to see the transfer of my lipsticks. So let's see. Oh wow, that's actually not as much transfer as I would have expected. And it still looks so beautifully intact on my lips. Like, it doesn't even look like it's faded. It still looks like that full opaque color. So this is actually a pretty long-lasting formula as well, which I really like for my lipsticks. So this is just all around such an awesome lipstick. I love the look of this. I can't stop looking at it in my mirror. It just is so pretty, but then I can't stop looking at the actual product because this is incredible. So this brand, Palace Identity, makes a few other gorgeous makeup products that now I am just dying to try out after seeing how amazing this one is. I did get their foundation, which also looks amazing, that I can't wait to try out, but they have other products as well. So if you've tried any of them, definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I also feel like a product like this makes such a great gift because it's so gorgeous and unique. You're not going to pick this up in a Sephora, a CVS, an Ulta, and if you get it for someone, they're going to be blown away by the beauty of it. I always think it's fun to try out makeup products from brands that I had never heard of before, brands that I would not have purchased necessarily on my own, since I do buy most of my makeup from Ulta or drugstores, the dollar stores. So this puts me a little bit out of my comfort zone, but it is so worth it when you get a product this amazing and this beautiful. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.